Hey everyone, welcome back to another recipe episode of In the Kitchen with Sandy, and today we are making apricot glazed chicken thighs. Now how amazing does that sound? I got a request from a fan wanting more chicken recipes, and you know what, I'm all about chicken. I could eat chicken any way, shape, or form, any way you make it. The more different recipes that you have, the better off you're going to be, because I mean, chicken is a staple in life. Like I said, it's amazing. You can cook it so many different ways, and you know, I'd be more than happy to show you some of my spins on some of my favorite chicken dishes. So let's go over the stove and get started. All right, as you can see here, I've got 4 nice thighs on a foil lined baking sheet. This is so simple, so easy, and absolutely amazing that you guys are going to absolutely fall head over heels with this. You're really gonna like it. It is a definite treat for your family. So what I'm gonna do here is, let me get my big old spoon out. I am going to turn my stove top here on about medium low, because you kind of want to do this slowly because of the sugar content and what we're getting ready to use, which I'm going to show you. I like to use the Smucker's Simply Fruit apricot spreadable fruit. Look at that. This is what I like to use. It's a little bit more pricier than the jellies and jams, but hey, you got to use what you like, right? So we're going to add that. That smells so delicious. Into your little stock pot here. Come on now. I love this. It is so tantalizing to the taste buds, if you get my drift. But you could use any chicken part that you would like. You know, you could use the breast, the thighs, the legs, whatever you want to use. And hey, ladies, it is football season. And if you're looking to score that winning touchdown, got some garlic here. This is 2 cloves of garlic, just roughly cut. You go ahead and make your man some chicken wings. The apricot glazed chicken wings, and let me tell you what. You'll be saying your name for days. That right there was about 1.5 tablespoons of soy sauce. We're going to use about 1/4 cup of honey. This is so sweet and delicious. And just a couple little shakes of the ginger. Now, if you want to use fresh ginger, you go right ahead, but you know, I don't really see. That is about 1/4 teaspoon, or 1/2 teaspoon. We'll say half. But you go right ahead if you want to buy the, you know, the big ginger pieces. I don't like to because I don't use that much ginger. And that stuff is super expensive. And we're going to give that a stir. Just stir that up really good. I'm not sure if you can see down in here. All it is just a little bit of apricots and garlic and ginger and soy. Oh my goodness. We're going to use just a tiny bit of vinegar, just a little bit. It's going to bring out all the wonderful flavors of the apricots and the garlic. And I use about 1 tablespoon of vinegar. You know what? If you have the cider vinegar, I bet that would be really good in here too. But guess what? Your girl don't have cider vinegar today. We're also going to add, just because I'm extra special, even though we got the garlic in there, we're going to add a little bit of garlic powder. About 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. And we are just going to stir. Get this nice and warm so all the flavors can marry. We're going to push it back off the stove, and then we're just going to let it cool down just a little bit, and then we're going to add it to the tops and the bottoms of our pieces of chicken. Be careful not to cross-contaminate there, because you want to use some of this right before your chicken is done, because you actually want to brush it a couple times with this. Look at that. How beautiful that is. Yum, 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 yum. Go ahead and set your oven on 400 degrees if I didn't tell you to do that. Just going to spoon this around. Look at that. That looks and smells amazing. Let's top it on there. You know, this would be perfect if you're looking to grill out something extra special too. That would be amazing. Then flop it over. And we're going to add some to that side as well. Yummy yummies. And just kind of coat that all over with that beautifulness. Now again, you're going to want to save some in there to brush on. A couple times during the cooking process, you're going to you know, flip it, brush it, flip it, brush it. Feel free to make extra of that. You know, you could buy 2 jars of the apricot all fruit. That smells amazing. Now I think those are nicely coated. I'm going to leave mine upside down like this for about 20 minutes, and then I'm going to brush some more on it, and then I'm going to flip it over, brush some more on it, and leave them like that for the rest of the cooking process. We are going to pop this in the oven, 400 degrees, like I said. And I'll show you what they look like when they're done. Your house is going to smell amazing. All right, guys, my chicken is done. I want you to look at that. That piece is a little brown on top, but that's perfect. That's going to be my piece. Now I want you to look at this foil here. Now you see why I say to make sure that you line your baking sheet with foil, because if you do not, you're going to have one heck of a mess on your hands. So without further ado, I have been smelling this beautiful, beautiful chicken for exactly, I need a fork. I need a fork. About 50 to 55 minutes. That's really actually what it took, you know, because it takes thighs a little bit longer to cook than it does the white meat, because this is dark meat, obviously. So I am digging into this. It is nice and crispy and beautiful. Look at that. That one is mine. I love the extra goodness of that glaze right on top. I'm just putting these on a plate. Easy cleanup here. Look at that. It's going to be easy cleanup. That's all I have to do is take my foil off, but we'll do that later. What's most important is that I dig into this beautiful, beautiful chicken. And like I said, this is my piece right here. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to look at that. I am using my fingers. I don't care. Oh, it's so hot and delicious. You know, you guys gotta watch. You gotta watch me. Look at that. You see that little face right there? That's my little Daisy May, and she thinks she's gonna get a bite, but it ain't happening, girl. This is mine. I'm gonna pop this crunchy skin in my mouth. Let me get this chewed up. That's so good. Here it goes. You can taste all of the goodness in that. I'm gonna really be good with that, and I will add it next time. Just a little bit of hot sauce to that, just to give that extra wang. A little bit of spiciness with your sweetness together. You hear what I'm saying? I'm a slow chewer. Sorry, guys. I'm gonna have another bite. This is simply amazing. Here comes the cat. They all come when there's chicken. Love, love, love this. Love it. You're gonna like it too. So you can watch me eat all of it. You know nobody's here, so. Oh my goodness. I could very easily just eat them all and nobody would have a clue. Not even a clue. But I won't do that. You know, I love you guys so very much. I hope you like this recipe. It's phenomenal. It is absolutely phenomenal. You can make this, make a nice salad, maybe some rice on the side. It is amazing. I hope you like this video. You know I love you guys so very much, and I'll see you on the next one. Hi guys, welcome back to another delicious recipe episode of In the Kitchen with Sandy. I'm going too fast, ain't I?